So these are the answers. If there is any question you can ask, I am here. I'll clarify it if there is a confusion or anything as such. So that's it, right? This is how you do it. Is there anybody who is like confused? Many people have done mistake in 14, 13 number. In all of the numbers, there are mistakes. Like, objective this time was horrible. Like 10 was the highest, I think. There are 20 questions, 10 correct was the highest, or 11 correct was the highest. So that's how Naitik you don't get, like, you're already one grade down when you have finished your objective.
Sorry, it's statue.
Okay. So many people have done polynomial here. See, you cannot call this a polynomial if you can add and simplify this. This is not, this is just binomial. Okay, so this number can be added and more simplified into a binomial. So that's why it's not a polynomial. If you just count, it is polynomial. But once you can simplify it, you don't call it polynomial. Okay, so next thing is from, I hope the last page. Okay, so up to here we've checked. So here again, many people have, nobody has correct. I think only 1% or 2% has got this 15 number correct. So what is there in 15 number is 3 by 4 and 6 by 8. What are they? They are unlike fractions, right? Look, they are unlike fractions.
Yeah.
But they are
That's why my video and mic off.
okay. Yeah, if it is possible, turn on your video, everyone.
Sir, 15 number ko ke ho? A, B, C.
You understand my problem?
C number.
If you don't believe me, I am really in Australia.
Okay, mute yourself. Don't go to street to take your class. What kind of thing is that? If you're in street, how to take your class? Okay. Good news, everyone. We are out in the street. We are like, literally teaching people out in the street. Okay, so it is both unlike and equivalent, because if you see, these two fractions are equivalent fractions. If you multiply denominator and numerator by 2, you will get 6 by 8, which means they are equivalent fractions. So that means C is the correct one, and very few people have noticed that. So this one was challenging. I don't blame it on you, but still, very few people. I don't think it was correct, Niyam. But we have to check sure छैन म तर I
Sir, मेरो त नमिलेको.
धेरै थोरै जनाको मात्र ठीक थियो. Unlike fraction is okay, but it's not only unlike, it's equivalent also. Nobody noticed that.
Sir, I think 16 to 17 है ना यो. Sir, ये 16 to 17 number दुवै के रे is equals to is equal. Oh.
So you need to make them like terms, right? And then you can decide. Just looking at this, you cannot decide, right? So you have to multiply by 2 up and down, you get like terms, and you see like 6 by 8 and 5 by 8. You can say 6 by 8 is greater. I have taught you that. I don't know how many of you did it.
I think objective मा तपाईले सर objective मा तपाईले हैन यो 6 के रे fraction वाला यो के रे greater than smaller than यस्तो कतिवटा दिन भएको छ?
I don't know. You can count. I think 2, maybe. I don't know.
Okay, then my mistake, I think.
Okay. So now these two, this is this 3 9 the minus and minus, if you remember. And then 13 by 4 can be written as 4 3s are 12. Right, and 3 by 5 can be 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18 by 5. So this is the correct answer. Anyone has any questions for me?
Sir, can you go back to the 16 number, please?
What about 16?
No. I must try it.
We tried in your copy. We have to move on to subjective.
Yeah, I am writing it on my copy.
Yeah. Okay, then that's good.
Okay, now you can.
Okay. So now we're going to next one. So these are the correct answers. If you probably
Sir.
you will have a video in YouTube which will let you know what the correct answers are. How many people are here? 11. And the main reason behind you not getting good grades, you are not in class so much. Look at it right now. There are 9 people who are not here. And even when you're in class, I don't think you're paying attention most of the time. I see the cameras turned off and finish teaching, and then you start asking like, what have I said? And I'm very unsure about what is happening with you guys. I'll just want to say, if you want to, everything that I teach is really easy, but you have to listen for that. Right? If you don't listen, there are things that can get you confused, and you might make a big deal out of this. It can get very, very difficult for you. If you want to make things easy, right, just listen to me and then just get involved in the class, ask it. But just okay. So many people have made mistakes in these 4 questions. I thought were going to be very easy. I thought you were doing this from class 2, 3.
सर कुन 4 क्वेशन्स मेरोमा त अब्जेक्टिभको अब्जेक्टिभ नै छ त
All right. I don't know what it's still. Is that the case with everyone? सबैको objective मै छ? Or is it only?
Sir, I think my grandmother is calling me. May I go there?
Sir.
Okay, whatever you have to do, but I'm going to go forward with this. Okay, so yeah, comma here. Many people didn't write the commas. They're mixing crore and million in same number system. If you can make mistakes in these ones,
Sir, मेरो grade कति आयो?
I don't know, Niyam. I don't know. तपाईँलाई म निकालिदिन्छु, किक आउट गरिदिन्छु अब सोध्नु भयो भने. I've already answered that question 3 times, Niyam.
Sir, look at his screen.
Ma'am, के रे sir, वो नियम. I am Ranjan Noob bot.
Okay, whoever you are, you will be kicked out. Will that? Huh? Okay. So yeah, just separate the numbers with comma and then read the things separated by comma separately. I don't know. Do I need to tell you this? तपाईँहरूलाई यो कतिजनालाई यो गर्न आउँछ भन्नु त हात उठाउनु त 1 नम्बर कतिजनालाई आउँछ raise your hand in Zoom and please turn on your video if it's possible. I'm trying to help you, but if you don't ask and if you don't let me know, just raise your hand. Okay, Ranjan says he knows how to do 1 number. Anyone? Only Ranjan knows?
Sir, say to Niyam
Sneha knows. Okay, Sneha knows too.
That.
Okay.
If you won't remove that, I won't turn off
okay, say Sasbi what?
my video.
Okay, yes. Okay, Sasbi also knows. Kavya knows. Come on, do it quickly, everyone. I'm not going to.
Sir, के भन्नुभएको म त थिइनँ.
1 नम्बर कोलाई गर्न आउँछ हात उठाउनु भनेको हात उठिरहेको थियो.
I know.
सजिलो उठ्दैन. स्नेहा, नियम, Akash knows. Okay, so why don't who'll tell me this? Okay, Sneha, why don't you tell me? A number ka answer ke huncha, Sneha? Can you read it out for me, Sneha?
1 minute, right?
Okay. So Jejis does not know, and Niyam does not know how to do A. Jejis knows. Okay. Niyam left, or Niyam does not know. Sneha, are you doing? Okay, Sneha is doing. Niyam does not know how to. Niyam, are you like saying you don't know how to do 1 number?
I know.
Then raise your hand, Niyam. Okay. No, not like that. Raise the hand in Zoom.
Go to participants and raise hand.
Yes.
And
All right.
I also know, okay?
Okay.
Then if you know, I am not doing.
But he's like very.
I have jaw lagging.
Okay, you have jaw lagging. All right. I hope you have it well. Niyam ko naam change.
Sir, this is math class now. Why are you talking
can I leave?
English?
Leave?
Yes,
Why?
because my sister has to join her class.
Tell your sister to not do in the class. Why should you leave? Whose class is?
कञ्चन तिम्रो बाबाको मोबाइल देऊ न जसको आई मिन तिमीले अब मम्मीको मोबाइल युज गरिरहेको छैन बाबाको देऊ बाबाको युज गरिरहेको छैन मम्मीको देऊ
एकछिन भिडियो गर्छु है सर
अफिस जानुभएको छ भने
Okay, okay,
के
okay.
भने
The-
ए अफिस जानुभएको छ अफिस
Okay, yes, Kanchan, you
my
may
mistake,
leave,
sorry.
but I don't know what you're going to do. We are going to move ahead. If you have
आई विल
the
म
option,
युट्युबमा
you-
हेर्छु नि
okay, YouTube may हेर्नुस् त्यसपछि. Okay, A numbers answer. Sneha, are you ready?
Hello.
Sneha? Sneha, I'm asking you.
Yes.
Yes, Sneha.
सर मलाई
Rachel?
एउटा क्वेसन
Wait, I know एकैछिन. Sneha?
41,096,96
Yes. Keep on saying.
41,000,002,114 44 104
104. Okay. So I will teach you. Hey, Sneha, what you said was wrong. It is not difficult, Sneha. It was wrong. I'll teach you how to do this. Hey, Sneha, and everyone who does not know, listen up. Those who know, you may ignore me for a while. But those who don't know how to do this or you find it difficult, I'll make it easy for you. Hey, everyone, listen to me very carefully. First thing that you need to realize is international system. You have to realize this thing. Right? This is very important. International system means you're going.
इन्टरनेसनलमा दुईटा अनि के अरे तिनटा
Yes. So the first thing that you need to do is comma. Commas are very helpful here. Right? So what you do, you start on this end, right side ma shuru garne. Sneha, always start in the right side and put commas first. Count 3 number and put comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Again 1, 2, 3, comma. Again 1, 2, 3, comma. Sneha, यहाँसम्म बुझ्नुभयो मलाई स्नेहा? Yeah.
एकछिनमा एकचोटि एउटा ठाउँमा गरौँ
Okay, good Sneha then. अब के गर्ने भन्दा यो कमाले छुट्याएको नम्बरहरू पढ्ने मात्र ल. That's it. अनि मिलियन हो कि बिलियन हो कि थाउजन्ड हो भन्ने. So all you need to do now is read this number separated by commas and just put million, billion after that. So we know यहाँ त के पनि हुँदैन. यो तीनटा नम्बरको लागि के पनि आउँदैन. These 3 numbers have 1,000 place, right? These are 100,000, 10,000 and 1,000. These 3 numbers have millions place. So you अगाडिको 3 numbers a million हो. Sneha, you know that, right?
Yes,
So now what you do is
I
read
know.
number separated by comma है. सुरुको कमाले सेपरेट गरेको नम्बर पढ्नुस् त. कुन नम्बरलाई सेपरेट गरिरहेछ? Sneha, you can keep your 4. Now 4 is what? Million, billion or 1,000?
Billion?
Yes, 4 billion. Good.
No.
Yeah, it's billion. It's correct. Now, can you keep your mic turned on and we can just deal with this and then you turn off your mic? Is that okay? Okay. So now what? Read the number separated by comma after that. 4 पछि के छ? कमाले सेपरेट गरेको.
4,100,000,000.
Yes, and now this यो कमाले सेपरेट गरेको नम्बर पढ्नुस् त.
9,600.
यो हैन न. Don't think about 1,100. खाली यो तीनटा नम्बरलाई पढ्दाखेरि कसरी पढ्नुहुन्छ? 962 पढ्नु.
9,020.
यो
9,062.
9,000 हो त यो.
900.
Yes,
962.
Very good. So if you can say that 962 के हो त यो? कुन ठाउँमा छ त यो? 962?
1,000.
1000 भेरी गुड स्नेहा सो अल यु निड टु डु त्यो तीनटा नम्बरलाई पढ्ने मात्र धेरै सोच्नै पर्दैन है कमाले छुट्याएको तीनटा नम्बरहरू अब जतिवटा छ त्यति सुरुमा एउटा मात्र नम्बर थियो 4 बिलियन त्यसपछि 100 थियो 100 मिलियन त्यसपछि 962 छ 962,000 एन्ड लास्टमा के छ वाट इज इन द लास्ट
14
yes 14 finish do you get that this number is 4 billion 100 million 962,000 14 that's it is that okay
Sir, now may I ask my question?
okay yes ask who's this
And I think
yes
होइन,
Naitik,
जिरोको अगाडि कमा लाग्छ
yeah does not matter कति के को अगाडि खाली नम्बर तीनटा काउन्ट गर्दै कमा लाग्ने यस जिरोको अगाडि पनि लाग्छ जिरोको पछाडि पनि लाग्छ यु जस्ट ह्याभ टु फलो द्याट कमा
सर लास्टकोलाई चाहिँ के भन्ने हो
लास्टकोमा के पनि नभन्ने जति नम्बर छ पढेर छोड
केन नभन्ने
14 मात्र भन्ने सक्यो यु डोन्ट पुट एनिथिङ एट लास्ट राइट यु नो द्याट तपाईँले 10 रुपियाँ छ 10 यु डोन्ट एड एनिथिङ यु जस्ट ले 10 यु डोन्ट ह्याभ से 10,000 मिलियन बिलियन के पनि भन्नु पर्दैन ओके एनी प्रब्लम हियर ओके द्याट इज द थिङ है टेक हेल्प अफ कमा अनि यदि हिन्दू अरेबिक सिस्टम हो भने चाहिँ पुटिङ कमा विल चेन्ज अ लिटल बिट है यदि यो हिन्दू अरेबिक नट हियर यहाँ चाहिँ छैन है थियो भने वाट यु निड टु डु इज सुरुको चाहिँ तीनटा
हिन्दू अरेबिक
नम्बर एट फर्स्ट यु निड टु टेक 3 numbers देन यु टेक 2 numbers एट अ टाइम 2 2 and 2 and now do the same thing अघिकै जे गर्यो त्यही गर्ने but here it will be करोड अरब खरब right so that's what you're going to say but you're going to do the same thing कमाले सेपरेट गरेको नम्बर पढ्ने so Sneha can you do this do you know what is there like 1000 पछि lakh and then crore and then there is arab Sneha can you do it in Hindu Arabic B number
Can I say?
no let's do it Sneha come to others in other questions
Okay.
can you do it Sneha कमाले सेपरेट गरेको सुरुको नम्बर के भयो कुन छ
Yes, I know.
okay can you like say
8.
8 right so 8 what this will be 1000
80.
crore arab so it will be arab 8
8 or 53.
crores it's place for crore
Crore. 20. 27.
L-
27.
what comes after crore
Lakh.
lakh good
27 lakh. 46,572.
very good Sneha so you have to remember that now eh you have to do that it's an easy thing धेरै के पनि गर्नु पर्दैन कमा हालेसी everything's very easy yes if anyone else you need to ask about this now you can ask अरु कसैलाई कन्फ्युजन छ नेमिङ नम्बर्स
सर सरी र मेरो त जुम क्विट अनएक्सपेक्टेडली भनेर के आइरहेको थियो
okay okay
चाहिँ
so now the next thing that we want to do is go to number B so many people have made mistakes in this way I thought यहाँ त सबैले इजिली गर्छ but
Sir, do have I?
okay yes okay 2 नम्बरको रेन्जनले भन्नुस् न त you can put
Yes, ma.
अ
A number go.
अ what is the place value of 7 7 को place value कति हो
7 को value.
place value international system है place value रेन्जन थाहा छ कि छैन भन्नुस् पहिला
Sir, I don't know.
and
अलि यो इंटर सिस्टम मा चाहिँ आउँदैन.
ओके उस सिस्टममा अरु सिस्टममा भन्नु न त
उयो हुन्छ अराबिकमा.
यस हिन्दू अरेबिकमा भन्दा हुन्छ
त्यसलाई 22 crore.
सर
yes okay so I'm going to help right Ranjan यसरी
Sir,
गर्ने
is it 2 crore?
not
आई थिंक यो 1 र 2 नम्बरको एउटै हो
this is 7 को ठाउँको भ्यालु कति हो 7 को ठाउँमा
Sir,
कुनै
ऊ यहाँ B number को भने.
B नम्बरको 2 करोड yes B number 2 करोड is correct or is it not 2 करोड यसलाई त कहाँ 2 करोड भन्छ त
one.
2 is in place of
Value
20,
पनि
10,
मिलेन, face
10
value पनि
crore.
मिलेन।
10 crore. The place value is 10 crore. यो ठाउँमा आउने नम्बरको भ्यालु जहिले पनि 10 करोडले मल्टिप्लाई भएर आउँछ. इफ यु एक्सपान्ड इट लाइक दिस, यो चाहिँ 2 मल्टिप्लाई 10 करोड हुन्छ क्या. सो द्याट्स हाउ द प्लेस भ्यालु एन्ड फेस भ्यालु यहाँबाट सक्छ. Okay, before I end this class, I just wanted to say कि you guys are going to have your English class taken by Rubina ma'am. I'll be looking after your second terms, evaluation and all that kind of things. And yeah, possibly I'm going to be, I kind of said this before Dasai and, but because of certain things, it could not happen. But yeah, so I just want you guys to say कि one of these days you will not be having me even in math because I have already decided to leave and I'm like in the process of doing it. So yeah, that will happen one day. Yes.
बाई बाई forever sir.
Acting गरे हेरे न.
I don't want you to like think कि I'm leaving you or the circumstances are like that. It's not like that. I am trying to leave you or it's like
200 रुपए दे यार 50 रुपए काट ओभर एक्टिङ के.
Sir, but you are not going here. अहिले नै होइन र?
no, not like right now today.
सर म तपाईलाई जहिले मेसेन्जरमा कल
तपाईले
गर्छु.
हैन
Okay.
प्रतीक सर तपाईले आरएनएस बाहेक कहाँ पढाउनुहुन्छ अरु कुन ठाउँमा?
Yeah. I'm like I haven't taken the classes, but I'm joining I've started in a college in Itari. So yeah, I'm doing that right now.
Oh,
Okay, sir. Sir, take attendance.
Yes, because of that, I will not be. Let's see what will happen. Right for now, I'm like.
Okay, sir.